Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Let's solve this new problem from S logic. Okay, so we remove our previous problem like this in the paintbrush, and we write the equation as from the slide. That is 9. Okay, so and we put equal to sign is here, and we say 72. Okay, and we increase its width, its size to say 48. So this is our equation, and we have to add a minus 2 as well. Okay, so well, we take this and we say here, let's make it a bit shorter. Say it is 24, and we say a minus 2. Yeah, minus 2. Okay, so this is what we are going to solve. And instead of 8, let's uh, make it x. It's all the same thing, okay? So x, and we have to find the value of x, while we have 9 raised to power a x minus 2. This is equal to 72. So this is what we are supposed to take to our Excel. And to take to Excel, what we do, we hold down Shift and the window key simultaneously and press S. So this will allow us to highlight and copy at a time. Okay. So that's it. Now we are ready to take it to our uh, system in which we work out the solution, right? So this is the, here we put we paste it here, okay? And we copy this, our previous thing. So the advantage is that we are not writing again and again the code for only the single procedure is being used, and and this is adapt itself automatically, okay, according to what is the requirement for solution of a particular problem. So what you need to do is you have to put the solution in here so that it is rightfully worked out by the system, and it is taken to the database as well, right? So 9 raised to power x minus 2, right? So if this is x, right, say x is 4, let's example, this is x. Okay, 4. So what is 9? It is, let's type 9 raised to power. So we say it's raised to power x minus 2. Minus 2, that's it. Okay. So for the ease of our understanding, we say that this is all raised to power. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, and the stage 2 is straight away in 72. Right? That's it. And all we need to do is let's double click on it and see the solution. As simple as that. Okay, so this is going to work out at how means what should be the value of x if we want to. We have this equation in our mind, so the system will work out uh, the solution. So it should be increasing. So say it is 9 raised to power 3 minus 2. So it should be increasing. Maybe we have to, we can stop anytime if you find that it is doing something unusual thing. Okay. So what we do is we see what a 9. Okay. 9 raised to power x. That is 194. That's right. And this is a stage 1. And this is stage 2, that is 72, right? And the here we are stage 1 minus stage 2. Yes, if the difference is less than or equal to this, then it is 1. It's all set. That's right. Okay. So, and if we say 4 in here, for example, yeah, it goes up. Okay. If you say 3 in here, so it is mm, it is 1. That's working fine. Okay. So we have to wait until it reaches, let it take its time. Okay. So this is telling us that our code should be enhanced a bit more so that it quickly reaches to the point from where it should start. It is starting from the right beginning 0.01, that is too far away and takes more time to start with the solution. So it should start with the one first, say what what is the result. It should start with the two, and as soon as it reaches to it crosses the 72, the stage two, then it can follow on this step. So this is an enhancement is required, right? So we can do it in here. Okay. So otherwise, it will take, uh, it will come up with the right answer, but it will take much time. Right? So let's change the code. We and interrupt it, and we say that you directly jump to the one. Okay, so, and then you can do the adjustment. Right. So what it is doing so is here it is adding adjustment. Right. So So what we have done is that we made the system a bit faster because because it was taking too long to for getting the adjustment factor right. So it will now it quickly gets to the point where it should start actual adjustment right. So first of all, it asks you uh, the question: do you want fast procedure or the regular adjustment procedure? So fast procedure is fine. So it has achieved to the factor 4. And 4 is the where from where it should start doing the adjustment, right? The started adjustment is 4, right? And this is why, because it has the stage 1 is closest to the stage 2. So, okay. So now what it is going to do is it is uh, going to make the adjustment right from 4, right? Not from the 0.01, rather 4. So this will make the system much faster. Okay. The next is it is now doing the adjustment and it arrived to the 1, the check digit. That means that your answer is achieved, right? So 3.94 is the right answer for this problem, right? So this how we we have made the enhancement in our system. Thanks to SLogic for such a nice series of algebraic and Olympiad math problems. So this is making a value addition in our system, which automatically gets you to the answer. Being a teacher, it is necessary that they quickly get them to know that what is the answer the student should do, and and then they can update this procedure, this problem into the database, right? So it will ask you which file you want this updation to be taken. Okay, and then it will update. Okay, thank you very much for watching.